Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic. Here are 5 tips you can include in a video about quitting smoking. 1. Understand your triggers. Identify the situations or emotions that make you crave a cigarette, and create a plan to avoid or deal with those triggers. 2. Find alternatives. Replace the habit of smoking with healthier alternatives like chewing gum, drinking water, or engaging in physical activities. 3. Get support. Share your journey with friends, family, or online communities who can provide encouragement and advice. 4. Set achievable goals. Break down your quitting journey into smaller, manageable goals, and celebrate your achievements along the way. 5. Stay positive. Focus on the benefits of quitting smoking, such as improved health, better smelling clothes, and saving money. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget like, share and subscribe.